Today we're going 5 stories below ground to clean out some catch basins. But first, I have to tell you about 2 awesome guys who invited me along. Rigo is one of the most no-nonsense, let's get it done type of person that I've ever met. He's also ridiculously strong, and he's actually quite funny. And Brady's reputation is as equally as impressive. He always has to be first on the hardest part of the project. I have to imagine he gets that work ethic from his days as a Chicago bricklayer. He's also incredibly articulate and polite. While today's project is much easier than putting on chemical suits and cleaning a tank, you'll see it still has its physical challenges. So let's join Rigo and Brady and get started on these catch basins. Looking good, buddy.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing? Good.
Horrible. Today's game plan is we're going to pump out several different catch basins in several different locations, all within parking structures. We're being escorted around by UW Milwaukee's maintenance coordinator. So we'll just pump as he needs them.
You might have noticed this is not the big vacuum truck you saw earlier. It's still parked above ground. In these low-ceiling parking lots, we use a tow-behind vacuum trailer. And when the tank is full, we'll go topside and pump off the small tank into the large vacuum truck. When we take a look down this manhole, you'll see it's mostly liquid on top. But once we pump that off, it's sludge at the bottom. And that can be difficult. So to reduce the time to pump the sludge, we'll add a little bit of water to liquefy it. And in no time, the catch basin will be clean. This catch basin is done, so we'll move on to the next one. And as you can see, Brady is careful not to spill any liquid out of the hose as he repositions himself for the next catch basin. As you can see, we're using the same technique to get rid of the sludge. Now after this one, we have to unhook and move. This requires Rigo and Brady to lock the 2 ends of the hose together. And this ensures that no leaks or spillage will occur when they carry the hose to the next site. But we're not going to stick around for that, so let's jump ahead and see what happens when the tank is full. So Brady tightens the lid back on, and I'll follow Rigo back into the truck where we'll head back up 5 stories and meet up with the vacuum truck where we'll pump off the liquid since we've got a few more catch basins to do still. Notice the bucket underneath the fitting. That's to catch any liquid that might come out when they're attaching the hose. Our next site was through a tricky passageway to get to the manhole. I should have also mentioned Rigo is a master at backing up a trailer through tricky entryways, and he's also not ashamed to admit it.
Hey Brady, now that's how you back up a trailer.
We helped out with a few more catch basins before we left, and soon we are on our way. We hope this has given you a good illustration of how we can help provide dependable, reliable catch basin service. And we hope that when you have a need for cleaning out your catch basins in your parking lots, that you give us a call. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.